Dudes, dudettes, saints, and sinners, welcome back for another day of 12 days of Christmas. So this is a story all about how my life got turned upside down by my crazy husband. Honey, this man is a psychopath. Let me tell you the backstory. So we were getting ready to go out and I needed to do my hair. It was 3:30 and I told him, let me do my hair real quick, and I didn't finish until 7:30. My husband was livid, and so he told me, you should be able to do your hair in 30 minutes. Here's a little bit more of what he had to say. So baby, tell him the idea.
How to style natural hair in 30 minutes.
I'm telling him that is not possible.
It is possible.
It's not, because you have to detangle, you got to pre-poo, you got to moisturize, you got to style it, and then I gotta wait for it to dry. So are you saying that the drying time also includes the 30 minutes?
Get you a blow dryer, get you some whatever you style your hair with, shampoo, whatever, get all that, get you a blow dryer. Like, it's possible. All these little 12-step process, when nobody doing this 20 years ago.
Because wasn't nobody wearing curly hair 20 years ago.
Or it was just a girl on half and half. She's a little person with curly hair. Like,
her curls are much different than mine. She got curls, I have coils. It's a difference.
Look here. Women done had natural hair since back when, before it was popular. I ain't trying to hear that.
So now, y'all...
It don't take 3 days to get your hair done.
So that is my challenge. And he didn't stop there. Oh no. He had instructions for me.
Co-wash.
Okay, wait a minute. Start it over. So what do you think I should do?
The co-wash. Rinse that out. Blow dry the hair till it's still it's got some wetness, but it ain't all the way dry.
Okay.
Take whatever your leave-in conditioner style gel. Do that. Style it up and keep it moving. We ain't gotta do all this extra stuff, man.
Okay, so that's my challenge, y'all, to do all of this non-extra stuff. Only do the essentials and be done in under an hour. Now, that is not something that I would do on a regular basis, just because for the health of my hair, I need to deep condition. I want to pre-poo. I want to do a lot of defining. I just want to make sure my hair is good. But there are times where I'm in a rush and I need to hurry up and get my hair together. So I'm going to challenge myself to actually do a wash day in under 60 minutes. And I'm actually going to take his advice. That man really be listening to me. See how he even know what a co-wash is. I'm going to take his advice and actually do a co-wash. I wanted to see what you all suggested, because I'm not really a co-washer like that. I'm more so just co-wash my wigs. But anyway, I put a post on Instagram and I said, oh, this post is only going to be up for about 5 minutes. So to my subscribers, what is the best co-wash you have ever used? I'm about to run into Sally and get it. So I need y'all to hurry up and tell me what to buy. And as soon as that post went live, y'all overwhelmingly responded with one answer. And that answer was, as I am. There were other answers submitted, but overwhelmingly, that was the popular pick. So I'm getting ready to go into Sally right now. We're going to get us some As I Am. And y'all coming with me because it's, Vlogmas, 12 Days of Christmas, whatever. Come on. Okay, so my plan is to use lightweight ingredients. Like my leave-in needs to be light. My styler needs to be light, just because that cuts down on the drying time. So I already know I'm doing a co-wash. I can't do a deep conditioner, unfortunately. And I need a styling cream. Honey, let's get in this store. All right, we're back. Listen, the employees were so incredibly helpful, like so helpful that they were talking to me the whole time. I didn't get to pull out my phone and record. So I did get the As I Am coconut co-wash. I'm going to use a liquid leave-in so that it doesn't take long to dry. And I'm going to make sure my stylers aren't too heavy so it will cut down on my drying time. So I'm hoping that this works out and it actually look good. So let's go home and get started.
It's about to go down.
We made it back home and we're getting ready to get started. But before I get started, let me do a few disclaimers. Number one, I can't stress this enough. This is not an everyday situation. For the health of your hair, you do not need to skip your conditioning and all the things that you need to do. This is just an emergency. I got to get out the house, but I need to get it together type situation. Number two, clearly this won't work for a twist out, braid out, bantu, knot out, or anything like that. This is strictly for wash and goes. And last and most importantly, because I feel like it's only fair to say it, your results will vary based on your hair's length, your hair's density, your hair's texture, the tightness of your curls. Results will vary per person. This is more so just for fun, y'all. It's Vlogmas. Let's kick it a little bit. So I'm gonna take his little challenge. Although initially he gave me 30 minutes, he gave me grace and gave me 60. And he just such a generous man. So I got my stopwatch ready. Let's go. I'm gonna let this sit for 5 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and detangle. All right, let go. All right, this is the best that I'm gonna get as far as setting my hair goes. I'm at 29.54, 29.55. I'm gonna get under the dryer, get some of this water out. I'm gonna try to diffuse. Well, no, I ain't even gonna do all that. We just gonna get what we get. So I'll be back shortly. So I am at the 56 mark and my hair is not dry. It's almost dry, but not dry. So let me dry it all the way, and before I pick shape and fluff, I'll let you know exactly how long it took my hair to dry. I'll be back. All right, my hair is dry. Let's get to getting it. I'm gonna put this oil on my hands. Right, I finally got a shape that I like. Let me get these edges together. And I'm done. How much time did it take me? And this was my grand finale. So while I did not get under 60 minutes, it's still better than the 4 hours that it usually takes me. Now, will I do this all on regular? No. But again, if I'm in an emergency situation and I need to get my hair done real quick, I've proven to myself that it can be done. Now, about these products, every product that I've used so far, with the exception of the car wash, I've used it on the channel before. I really liked it. This combination works okay together, but I would definitely say if you do use it, apply this very lightly because this can flake when put together. This car wash, baby, this is my first time ever. Oh my. This is my first time ever using this, and I definitely understand why so many of y'all went so hard in my comments. Does this have silicone in it? I don't see any silicone, but definitely double check for yourself. But what I will say is this was literally the best co-wash I have ever used. Period. This was amazing. Like, I definitely, this is a new staple. But yeah, I've proven to myself that it don't take me 4 hours to do my hair. But definitely, I noticed that when I was detangling, I had way more hair in my hands than I usually do. And I believe it's because I didn't pre-poo and I didn't deep condition. And I definitely noticed the difference in the amount of hair that I saw come out when I was detangling. So this definitely ain't no regular thing, but in case of an emergency, this is doable. So with that being said, let me turn around, let you see the back. Yes, she did that. So if you ever attempt a routine like this, let me know what your time was when you were finished. And if you are able to have a short wash day, let me know what your process was. This was fun, but honey, that was literally it for fun. Listen, mother can't be losing no hair now, so I'm going to be clean, deep conditioned as long as I have breath in my body. So with that being said, if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. Me love you long time, Maki Dada, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, honey.